How to create a pocket broker account step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to start trading online but feeling a bit confused where to begin on Pocket Broker, then you're in the right place. The first thing you want to do is to download and install the Pocket Broker app on your smartphone or tablet and launch it open. Once you're inside this welcome screen, if you want to start out by creating a new account, click on Registration. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and fill in some of your registration details. But before that, make sure to select how you'd like to sign up. You have 3 different options as shown on the screen over here. You can go ahead and register using the email, Facebook account's credential, or the Google account option. Choose any one sign-up method. I'm gonna select the email option. If you've done the same, then you'll need to type in your email address in the first field appearing at the top of the screen. While typing down the email, make sure you are typing in the email that you have an access to, and it must be your own email address. Once you do that, head over to the password field and write down a strong password for your account you want to secure with. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says promo code. If you've got a promo code for Pocket Broker, go ahead and type it down in the last field. Once you are done with it, simply check on this little square box at the bottom and click registration. And yes, if you don't have the promo code, you can just skip that step and tap on this square box and click registration. Once you are done, on the next page, go ahead and select your country and then your currency you want to start with and click confirm. Now, you can go ahead and start depositing. Get a quick tutorial or go to the platform right away and you have successfully signed up for a Pocket Broker. If you're a beginner, then you might want to start with a demo account so that you can practice without risking real money. Once you're inside, go to the top right corner and click on this QT Real option over here. Click on the drop down and look for the demo option, and you can switch to a demo account for now so that you can practice. So right there you have successfully signed up for your Pocket Broker account. Now you're inside your Pocket Broker's dashboard. Take a few minutes to look around the platform, just explore features like charts, demo trading, and settings so that you can get comfortable with the app interface. And you have successfully created your account. That's how we do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.